لأجاريهم قلدت ظاهر ما فيهم فبدوت شخصا آخر.
Or anything, and it was just so bad that we just.
There is no lack of capability or willingness on the part of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah has not given you an allocated time by which you can make dua. Ask Allah. Is that it's very hard. One specific way that some people will ask Allah for more. They will say, oh Allah, if you give me more, then I'll yet perceive it. And so there's a sense of rida, a sense of satisfaction. As is told something, it is or it's a long verse, but what I want. It's a good thing, very good thing, but I have to make sure I am at peace before him. He asked Allah for everything, oh Allah guide me, oh Allah. He's speaking about